BFA. Guess what time it is? That's right, another story time. I gotta be honest though, I have been feeling pretty grumpy lately, which has led me to pick out this story for you today. In a world full of shoulds, sometimes we need just a day to feel however we need to feel. For me, that's been grumpy. And you know what? That's okay. Have you been feeling a negative emotion lately? Guess what? You're normal. It happens. What is important is how we react and use these feelings. Just because I have been grumpy does not give me the right to talk back to my mom or be mean to my friend. What are some things that could help me cope with my grumpiness? The story we're reading today is called Grumpy Monkey. Jim the chimpanzee is in a terrible mood for no good reason. His friends can't understand. How can he be in such a bad mood when it's such a beautiful day? Let's find out. See you after. By Suzanne Lang. Illustrated by Max Lang. One wonderful day, Jim Pansy woke to discover that nothing was right. The sun was too bright, the sky was too blue, and the bananas were too sweet. Jim was confused. What's going on? Maybe you're grumpy, suggested Norman from next door. I'm not grumpy, Jim insisted. On his walk, he met Marabou. Jim's grumpy, Norman told Marabou. Why are you grumpy, Jim? Asked Marabou. It's such a wonderful day. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. But look at how you're standing, Marabou said. It's true, said Norman. You're all hunched. So Jim loosened up. Then he ran into Lemur. Jim's grumpy, Norman told Lemur. Why are you grumpy, Jim? Asked Lemur. It's such a wonderful day. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. Your eyebrows look grumpy, said Lemur. It's true, said Norman. They're all bunched up. So Jim raised his brow. Then he tripped over Snake. Oh no, said Norman. That's the last thing you need when you're feeling so grumpy. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. Then why that frown, said Snake. I think it's because he tripped over you, Norman whispered to Snake. So Jim put on a smile. Finally, Jim looked happy. But he didn't feel happy inside. Everyone wanted Jim to enjoy this wonderful day. You should sing with us, said the birds. Jim didn't feel like singing. You should swing with us, said the monkeys. Jim didn't feel like swinging. You should roll with us, said the zebras. Jim did not feel like rolling. You should stroll with us, said the peacocks. Jim didn't feel like strolling. You should lie in the grass. You should stomp your feet. You should take a bath and make a splash. You should hug someone. You should laugh. You should take a nap. You should eat old meat or some honey. You should jump up and down. You should sit in the sun. You should dance. But Jim didn't feel like doing any of that. Why are you grumpy, Jim? Asked the others. It's such a wonderful day. I'm not grumpy! Shouted Jim as he beat his chest. And he stormed off. Jim felt sorry. A little sorry for shouting at everyone, but mostly sorry for himself. I guess I am grumpy, Jim sighed. And just as he was starting to feel really sad, he came upon Norman. Norman was slumped. His eyebrows were bunched up, and he was frowning. "What's the matter? Are you grumpy?" asked Jim. "No, I danced with Porcupine," said Norman. "Are you okay?" asked Jim. "It hurts, but I'll probably feel better soon enough," said Norman. "Are you still grumpy?" "Yes," said Jim, "but I'll probably feel better soon enough too. For now, I need to be grumpy." "It's a wonderful day to be grumpy," said Norman. Jim agreed. And he already felt a little bit better. The end. So what did you think? Did you enjoy the Grumpy Monkey? What was your favorite part of the story? Like I said earlier, sometimes it's okay to feel a little grumpy, as long as we don't take it out on our friends. We need to talk about why we're feeling a certain way. So, how do you handle your feelings? Do you do a happy dance? Do you hug your friends? What do you do? I have another challenge for you. I would like for you, by yourself or with some of your friends, to come up with a no more grumpy dance. Email it to me. This is a great way to make yourself feel happy again and get rid of all of that grumpy energy. Looking forward to seeing what you come up with. See you next time, GFA.